Hi, Online Solutions Group here. Thank you for joining us. We'll answer how is online advertising different from other types of advertising? Why is online advertising important for my business? How does it work? Imagine Sergio owns a small company called Web App Development, or WAD for short. Everything he sells is custom-made, even mobile applications. To promote WAD, Sergio designed a print ad that looked like it was made of custom development. After the design is completed, he will spend a lot of marketing budget to buy full-page ads in local newspapers. When he opened the Sunday paper and saw all its advertisements, he was very excited. He is pretty sure that this will help WAD attract new customers. But can he really be sure that his advertisement is effective? Does Sergio know whether his target audience has seen his ad? Does Sergio know how many people have seen his ad? Does Sergio know whether his advertising has brought about an increase in sales? Unfortunately, for Sergio, this is definitely not right. Although print advertising is a good idea, Sergio should also consider online advertising. In this way, he can more accurately understand how many people in the target audience saw his ad, and how many website visitors or ads helped to get that customer. The ability to track advertising effectiveness is just one of the reasons why online advertising can be a valuable tool for small businesses. Online ads also provide a lot of flexibility and can help you achieve various business goals, whether you want to sell more products, attract potential customers to contact you, or achieve other goals. With online advertising, you have power over customization. Tweak your ads to help them reach the right audiences. Search term selection. Choose which targeting group you want your ad to show up for. Localization. Target your ad to specific geographic areas. Cost. Adjust how much you're spending on clicks and views at any time. You can take steps to ensure that your online advertising is successful. We will show you how to target specific customers, how to be discovered by people searching for your products or services, set budgets, and measure the success and value of advertising. We will show you how to optimize your online conversion for the right target-specific customers. This video is more suitable for beginners, but advanced marketers can also find something in the video. First, let's look at how you can use online advertising to target specific groups of customers. If you want to reach customers who are, for example, active online during certain time periods, make sure your online ads only run at those times. You can also target your ads to reach people who live in specific geographies or speak certain languages. Another targeting strategy is to think about where your ads should appear, in search results, on websites, or a mixture of both. Think about who your ideal customers are and where you can best reach them. Let's say Sergio only wants to reach customers who live near Antwerp, and he wants his ads to encourage customers to call his company when it's actually open and there's someone available to help them. He can make sure his ads only appear on local websites and in search results for people nearby. He can also show ads with Antwerp's phone number during open hours, and then show ads without the phone number after hours. Along with targeting certain customer groups, you can use online search ads to be found by people searching for your products or services. You've probably already seen search ads while doing your own searches on platforms like Google or Bing. Whenever you search using certain words or questions, you'll see organic results as well as paid results, aka online ads. You can use tools like Google Trends to create a keyword list. You can also check your business website's analytics page to see which search terms are sending the most traffic to your site. For example, Sergio at Antwerp might see that the search terms webmaster and web developer send him the most traffic, so he adds them to his keyword list. Tip: some ad platforms let you show ads on websites that have content related to what you sell. In this scenario, Sergio might buy online ad space on men's tech blogs. Once you have a good idea about who you're targeting and how you're going to be found, start setting your budget. How much money you spend on online advertising depends on your overarching marketing plan and whether or not most of your potential customers find you online or through more traditional forms of advertising. Some tools like Google Ads or Facebook Ads can give you a recommended budget based on the average click volume for your business type and location. After you figure out your online budget, choose how much you want to spend each day. The good news is you only pay when people click on your ads. And you can change your budget whenever you want. This leads us to our final point. Online advertising makes it easy to evaluate clicks and measure the success and value of your ads. Most ad platforms track and report on the clicks on your ads. While a lot of clicks can be a good thing, some clicks are more valuable than others. Clicks that result in customers taking desired actions are the types of clicks you want. Depending on your goals, that might mean click-throughs that result in sales, app downloads, newsletter signups, etc. Once you've assessed your clicks and know what's working harder for your business, you can readjust your budget and focus on the best performing types of ads. To see full examples, subscribe to our channel. We will publish working examples that are usable in all European countries. You've probably realized that you need to do a decent amount of research before you can jump into it. Let's do a quick evaluation to see if you're ready. Go to our website and fill in the online test. You find a link in the description. Do this now. Now that you've been introduced to the basics of online advertising, let's figure out what your next steps should be. Comment it on YouTube video. We will discuss it with you.